Welcome to where we explore ways to enhance your well-being and live a more mindful life. In today's exploration, we're embarking on a journey into the serene world of meditation. This practice, ancient yet timeless, opens the door to a realm of inner peace and emotional balance. Meditation is more than just a tool for relaxation. It's a transformative technique, a key that unlocks the door to your inner self. By focusing the mind on a specific object, thought, or activity, it enables you to tap into a state of tranquility and clarity. It's like tuning a radio until you find the clear, crisp signal amidst the static. But what makes meditation so essential? Why has it been revered and practiced by wise individuals and ancient civilizations throughout history? The answer is simple. Meditation is a gateway to self-understanding and emotional stability. It's a practice that cultivates mindfulness, heightens awareness, and nurtures inner peace. Meditation is for everyone. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out or if you've been practicing for years. Every journey begins with a single step, and every meditation begins with a single breath. It's a practice that grows with you, evolving as you evolve, deepening as you deepen. It's important to remember that meditation is not about achieving a certain state or reaching a specific goal. It's about the journey itself. The process of turning inward and connecting with your inner self. It's about being present in the moment, experiencing each breath as it comes and goes, and embracing the tranquility that arises from within. Meditation is a practice that has been passed down through generations, a gift from the wise to the seekers. It's a legacy of tranquility, a heritage of serenity. By practicing meditation, we carry forward this legacy, enriching not only our lives but also the lives of those around us. So are you ready to embark on this journey of inner exploration? Are you ready to discover the tranquility that resides within you? If so, then let's begin. Let's dive into the serene world of meditation and let's explore how to meditate as a beginner. Step 1. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit or lie down without distractions. This is where your meditation journey begins. Your environment plays a crucial role in your meditation practice. It should be a place that allows you to relax and disconnect from the hustle and bustle of daily life. So, find that perfect nook, maybe a corner of your room or a spot in your garden, where you can retreat to for a few minutes each day. Now here comes step 2. Choose a meditation technique that resonates with you. There are various techniques to explore, each offering unique benefits. You might begin with mindfulness meditation, where you focus on your breath and observe your thoughts without judgment. Or perhaps you might prefer guided visualization, where you use imagery to evoke positive emotions and feelings. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all in meditation. It's about finding what works best for you. Once you've selected your technique, we move on to step 3. Start with short sessions. It's not about how long you meditate, but how consistent you are. As a beginner, you might want to start with just 5 minutes per day. As you build your meditation muscle, you can gradually increase the duration. Don't rush. Allow yourself to grow at your own pace. But what happens when your mind starts to wander? Well, that's perfectly normal. Meditation isn't about emptying your mind, but about becoming an observer of your thoughts. When you notice your mind wandering, gently bring your attention back to your breath or your chosen point of focus. It's this act of returning your attention that strengthens your mindfulness muscle. As you cultivate this practice, you might encounter challenges. Maybe some days your mind is busier than others, or perhaps you find it hard to sit still. That's okay. Be patient with yourself. Understand that meditation is a journey, not a destination. It's about the process, not perfection. And finally, let's remember the importance of consistency. Make your meditation practice a regular part of your daily routine. It's like watering a plant. You can't just water it once and expect it to grow. Similarly, the benefits of meditation are cumulative. The more you practice, the deeper and more profound the benefits become. So, there you have it. A beginner's guide to starting meditation. Remember, this is just the beginning of your journey. There's a world of inner peace, clarity, and serenity waiting for you to explore. As you embark on this transformative journey, remember to be kind to yourself, be patient, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Remember, consistency is key. So let's make a commitment to ourselves to be consistent in our meditation practice. Let's embark on this journey of self-discovery and inner peace together. Happy meditating! Now let's talk about why meditation is so important. For millennia, this practice has been a cornerstone of various cultures and philosophies, offering a gateway to understanding the self and the universe. From the ancient sages of the East to the revered minds of the West, like Swami Vivekananda, meditation has been a cherished tool for inner transformation and wisdom. Meditation is not just a relaxation technique, it's a path to inner peace and self-discovery. It's about learning to observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment, and finding a sense of calm amidst life's chaos. This practice helps you to cultivate mindfulness, which is the ability to be fully present and engaged in the here and now. The benefits of meditation are manifold and scientifically proven. Regular practice can significantly reduce stress and anxiety, enhancing your mental clarity and emotional stability. It fosters focus and concentration, essential skills in our fast-paced, distraction-filled world. Meditation can also unlock creativity, allowing your mind to explore new ideas and perspectives without constraints. On a physical level, meditation can help to lower high blood pressure, improve sleep quality, and even strengthen the immune system. It's a holistic approach to wellness, impacting every aspect of your life, from your mental health to your physical well-being. But the benefits of meditation go beyond the individual. It encourages compassion, empathy, and kindness, fostering a sense of interconnectedness with all beings. This sense of unity can inspire positive changes in our relationships, communities, and the world at large. Meditation invites us to slow down, to breathe, to listen. It's a practice that reminds us of the power of stillness in a world that's constantly in motion. It's a journey inward, a journey of self-discovery and self-transformation. Today we can harness the wisdom of the past to cultivate a deeper connection with ourselves and the world around us. By integrating meditation into our daily lives, we can unlock inner peace, serenity, and a greater understanding of our place in the universe. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips to enhance your meditation practice. Firstly, establish a regular meditation schedule. Just like brushing your teeth or having breakfast, make meditation a part of your daily routine. This not only helps you stay consistent but also turns your meditation practice into a habit. And remember, habits are powerful. They can shape our lives in profound ways. Secondly, don't be afraid to experiment. There are countless meditation techniques out there, each with its own unique benefits. Some people find solace in mindfulness meditation, while others prefer the guided visualization approach. The key is to find what resonates with you. So don't hesitate to try different techniques until you discover the one that truly speaks to your heart. Thirdly, and this is crucial, don't get discouraged if your mind wanders during meditation. It's perfectly normal, especially for beginners. Our minds are wired to think, to analyze, to daydream. So when your mind wanders off, don't judge or criticize yourself. Instead, gently acknowledge the thoughts and bring your focus back to the present moment. Over time, you'll find that your mind wanders less and less. And finally, remember that meditation is not just about achieving a particular state of mind or reaching some elusive goal. It's about the journey itself. It's about becoming more aware, more present, more connected with your inner self. So be patient with yourself. Some days your meditation session might feel calm and serene. Other days it might be filled with restless thoughts. And that's okay. What matters is that you keep showing up, keep practicing, keep exploring the depths of your own consciousness. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and trust in the process. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of meditation. We've explored the essentials of beginning a meditation practice, the profound benefits it offers, and some handy tips to enhance your experience. Remember, meditation is more than just relaxation. It's a path to inner transformation, leading to mental clarity, emotional stability, and a deep sense of inner peace. It's a journey, not a destination. So whether you're just starting or deepening your practice, be patient with yourself, trust the process, embrace the silence, and always return to the breath. Use these tools to unlock the door to a more mindful and serene life. May your path be filled with peace, clarity, and serenity. Until we meet again on your journey to tranquility, take care of your mind, your body, and your spirit. Until next time, take care and namaste.